In this video we're gonna go over a similar service, but it's written in a completely different style. In this case it would be a class chrony, which is an alternative way to manage time protocols. But in this case, what's different? First of all, you have a class with an argument. In this case, there will be a variable called servers, which will get defined in a YAML file in the here part. Like before, you will have some things happen, but you will have them happen in order. This is this arrow symbol here. It means a dependency. So it means if there is a service ntpd, disable it. If there is a package called ntp, ensure its absence. After that's done, ensure that cron is installed, and then use a package called augeas to create a file based on a template which is written in embedded Ruby, which we're going to take a look at. And after, so instead of having chrony.conf, you're going to use part of a template, or use the template to replace part of a file, or rewrite it in this case. After that's done, notify the service chrony so that it can get enabled and start running. So in order to see what is in that embedded Ruby file, in embedded Ruby you use square brackets %sign to actually change something, right? So you would replace it depending on what your so instead of having this, when this embedded Ruby gets executed, you will just have I equals 1, and so on. The only thing that I know about embedded Ruby is this expression here, where you actually replace the square brackets % equal with the value of the variable val here, and there is more logic to it, but I won't go into it. So the next thing is to go into the YAML file and actually make that class apply. So you include the class, but that's not enough in this case, because this class takes parameters, takes arguments. So in the end, we're gonna give those parameters. It was an array, so it's dash dash here, and it's an array of 2 NTP servers, for example. So this is already uncommented, so maybe it's been applied already. So but in order to apply it, I will actually restart Puppet. I would look what's happening here after I've started Puppet, and it won't happen actually, because because this OHPC base package really wants NTP. It doesn't allow anything but NTP, so chrony will not get installed because of that.